now we will see some religious function as well as the, so to say, the community events which are participated by all kinds of the people. Thank you very much. You please be stayed in the same channel so you can watch everything. Om Namah Shivaya. Thank you.
வாக்குண்டாம் நல்ல மனமுண்டாம் மாமலரால் நோக்குண்டாமேனி நுடங்காது துப்பார் திருமேனி தும்பிக்கையான் பாதம் தப்பாமல் சார்பாமர்தமக்கு ஐந்து கரத்தனை யானை முகத்தனை இந்தி நிலம்பிரை போலும் ஈற்றனை நந்தி மகந்தனை ஞான கொழுந்தினை புந்தியில் வைத்தடி போற்றுகின்றேனே.
Greetings. It is my pleasure to introduce our special guest, foremost agniculture expert in the Southeast, Sri Charles Davis of Healy Atmosphere Association. Healy Atmosphere Association is based in Tuskegee, Alabama, and we now have 2 offices in the Atlanta, Georgia area. Right now, we will hear some words from Sri Charles Davis.
Tell us about your experiences here at the Hindu Temple of Georgia.
Om Tat. Om Tat. Greetings. We are honored to be here at this particular moment by the grace of the Swamiji of the Hindu Temple of Georgia. It is a great honor that we have found our brother here in this place called Atlantis. For many years we have journeyed around that which is called the planet Earth, searching those brothers of light that is so similar to that which we carry in this instrument. By divine grace, we have been led to this place here in Atlanta. In our journey to Atlanta, we have visited many temples, and it is not usual that this body goes to temples. By the direction of the Divine Holiness, we was guided to this Hindu Temple of Georgia and was welcomed with so much love. It is an honor to sit before you in this particular place here called the Hindu Temple of Georgia.
I have been reading this magazine regularly for the last 1 year. I like very much about articles about Indian heritage and culture. So I just want to visit them and I really enjoy the community here. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Prabha. I have two kids. I like the jungle and I like this atmosphere. Peaceful, happy, and I like absolute people.
This is the first time I am coming to this temple and I am really happy to see the community here and I look forward to have frequent visits. Thank you.
Beautiful sister, I am first time